I don't think people understand just how powerful a sneeze can be. Imagine this. It's not just a tickle in your nose, it's a high-speed launch event. Every time you feel that tickle in your nose and a sneeze coming on, you're not just expelling germs, you're firing them out at nearly the speed of sound. Yup, studies show that a sneeze can blast through the air at about 965 kilometers per hour. That's faster than a speeding subway train and nearly as fast as the speed of sound itself. So, next time you're about to sneeze, remember, you're basically a superhero with a very strange superpower. Always cover up and keep those germs from going supersonic on everyone else. Stay healthy and keep those sneezes in check.